What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can already see, this hairstyle look is looking super cute and I had to bring this video to you guys. By the way, if you don't know me, this is Tanisha. You can check out my channel, subscribe to the channel, and also you can check me out on my Instagram account. I've been creating a lot of styling and reels and hair care and stuff like that, so you can go and check me out over there as well. And for today's video, we are definitely going to do something really amazing. So I'm going to show you how I get this amazing loose style of curl, wave sort of a curl at home for your Valentine's look. And I am going to show you this look using the superior tech Dyson Airwrap, and I am super excited to show you guys about this, how to use this multi-styler hair tool to get a salon-like hair at home and obviously for your special events like Valentine's. Not only am I going to use this Dyson Airwrap to style my hair today, but let me tell you, it is going to be such an amazing option if you use it as a Valentine's Day gift for someone. I'm dead sure that person would love it and she would use it for quite a long time. So every time they use it, it's going to remind them of you. So this is going to be a very good Valentine's Day gifting option as well. So you can check that out. The link will be down below. Dyson Airwrap Styler is engineered with Dyson's unique airflow technology to achieve salon styles without extreme heat damage. With a range of tools personalizable with precision engineered attachments, variable heat settings and accompanying accessories, owners of all hair types can create many styles without compromising the health of their hair. Each Dyson Airwrap styler can be customized with a range of attachments to suit the person's hair style, length and also the desired end look. So let me get into explaining the whole product, how it is to be used. So this is going to be the machine, the main machine that you have over here, and then you have a lot of different attachments. So I'll explain you all of the attachments one by one. First of all, you have these 30mm barrel, two different pieces for the same 30mm barrel, because you have two different directions in this one. One is the direction for this side and the other direction is this side. So when you want curls to go this way, like the outwards way, so you need to make sure that you're using the barrel that has the direction, and the direction is very nicely drawn over here with these arrows, so you can easily understand like this that it goes this way. And when I want the curls to go outwards from this side, I'm going to use the one with the direction this side. You can get very tight nice curls with using these 30mm barrels. So next you have these 40mm barrels which do the same work as the previous one, but they're slightly bigger in size, as you can see, and this one will give you curls which are less tighter and they will give you more a bouncy and like wavy sort of looks. And then you have this pre-styler dryer that you can see. So this is before styling your hair. So for example, if I have wet hair and I cannot wait for it to air dry and all of that, and I need to get done with my style fatafat like in 10 minutes or something like that. So this will just give you like a blowout sort of a thing. Now you have these two smoothing brushes. So these two look very similar, but one has these pink beads and the other one has these grey beads. Pink beads is a soft smoothing brush, but if you have very frizzy hair, I can use the grey one. So the grey one is more like a firm smoothing brush. And lastly, you have this round volumizing brush. You can see you have this very tiny bristles all over here. So this is like this round volumizing brush. I love to use this brush when I want to get like a curtain bangs in the front. So today I'm going to use the 30mm barrels. Actually is I'm going to take a slightly thicker section. So if you take very thin sections, it will give like a very tight curl, but if you take slightly bigger sections of the hair, then it will not give that much of tightness. Let me tell you what it is about. So this is going to be the power button. This is off. When you take it up, this is on, and when you take it slightly more up and just keep it over there, it will give you a cool temperature. The blue dot is like the coldest temperature, and then you go to mid temperature, and then you go to the high temperature. And then you have this fan speed as well. You can see 3 white dots, so that is the 3 levels that you can keep. And there you have this lock and unlock button where you can use to put in the barrels. When you start putting the barrel inside, you just need to push it down like this and it will automatically take it up. You don't need to do anything. But when you need to take the barrel out, that is the time when you use this. You push it downwards and then you just slightly do this and it comes up very easily. So we are going to start. So I'm back with my normal texture hair. You can see I've washed my hair today itself. So we'll just start with sectioning of our hair, and the sectioning will happen according to your hair thickness. So I like to take only like 2 sections, and now taking this portion, I'm just going to wrap it up just like this and fix it at a place so that it does not disturb us while we do this. And I'm going to use these hair clips, so you get these hair clips very easily for your hair. So we'll start from the back itself and then come in the front. You want to use some water before you actually start using the tool. So I have water in front of me. You can use water, you can also use a heat protectant spray as well. So the best way to go about with water is that I want to make it 20 to 30% wet, because when I do so, the Dyson Airwrap works in such a way that it actually doesn't damage the hair. It does not take away the moisture of the hair, rather it takes away the moisture of the water that you have used. So that way your heat damage is minimum. The small section just like so. So I'll take this section as well, and again I'll put it back over here and pin it up so that we don't have any disturbance while we are styling it. So in this portion now I'm going to add some water. You dampen it up like 20 to 30%. Now taking the 30 mm barrel with a direction that goes outwards with high temperature over here, which is going to be the red button, like I'll push it all the way up, and then I'm also going to go with the high fan speed as well. So holding the hair 2 to 3 inches away, you can see like this. I just need to put my barrel over here and it will automatically take the hair in. So as you can see, nice tight crisp curls right over here. So what I did is I did the highest temperature with the high fan speed for almost 15 seconds, you can say, and then I pushed it all the way up. So when you push the power button all the way up, it gives you that cool temperature. Now holding it 2 to 3 inches away. And also, if you want to make them last even longer, what you want to do is you can use this same hair clip and just pin them up like this until you are done with all of the hairs. So we have all of our curls here ready. Now I'm going to show you this direction again, this 30 mm barrel, but the direction goes outwards. So it goes this side. Done with this section. Now we go up to this next section and do the same thing. Doing the same thing. I did not take much time to stay over here because I did not want a very tight curl. So you need to have a balance of the timing and the temperature to maintain the type of curls you want. So I've just set them up a little bit using my hand, just brushed my hand through it a little bit. I don't want to open up the curls, to be honest. I'm loving it by far. Like, it's just so pretty curls. I don't want to open them up. And you can see this is the whole look. It has turned out to be so pretty.